Module 2. Section 3. Part 1. Modules in Python. This section is going to be long and completely hands-on. Please set up your Linux virtual machine provided you are yet to do it. Let's start with name server lookup. What is name server lookup? Forward DNS lookup is using an domain name of a server to find an IP address. In Python, we use the function getHostByName to translate a host name to IPv4 address format. The IPv4 address is returned as a string data type, such as 8.8.8.8. If the host name is an IPv4 address itself, it is returned unchanged. IPv6 is not supported by the function. Reverse DNS lookup is using an internet IP address to find a domain name associated with the IP address. In Python, we use the function getHostByAddress to perform a reverse lookup. So let's get started. The functions getHostByName and getHostByAddress is defined inside the Python library socket. Open a Python file using any editor of your choice and type the following code as shown on the screen. As you can see, the output of the following program, getHostByName, returns the IP address associated with www.google.com, that is 172.217.163.36. GetHostByAddress function returns Google DNS server for the IP address 8.8.8.8.